Today I'm playing Luna by Munir Dev. From what I've read, it's a sort of a test game. Like you answer questions. I like is this the Earth with little eyeballs? That's cute graphics. The Earth rotates at 3,600 kilometers per hour. I don't know. True? Wrong. Neil deGrasse Tyson was the first man to reach the moon. That is false. Planet Mars has 3 moons. I think that's false. The sun rotates. I think that's true. A black hole is the center of our galaxy. False? Oh, that's true. The sun orbits the Earth. False. Vega is the nearest galaxy to Earth. I think it's Alpha Centauri. We always see the same side of the moon. I think that's true. Light travels from the sun to the Earth in 30 minutes. I think it takes longer. Space have sound. I think that you were meant to say, does space have sound? I think that's false. Oh, that's true. The sun is a star. True. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. I think Mercury is. Oh, it is. The Earth rotates at that fast. What did I say? It was false. That's a repeat. The Earth is the only planet with a moon. That's false. 1 year equals 365 days. Technically, it's 365 days and a quarter, but I'm going to say true. Okay. Stars are born in the cloud of dust called nebula. Sure, I don't know. If you travel at the speed of light, your time will speed up. I don't know. False? Pluto is a planet. False. Venus is the hottest planet. Yes, we just answered that. Every year, the moon gets closer to the Earth by 4 centimeters. I don't know. True. False. Scientists can't picture a black hole. True. Although didn't we recently take a picture of a black hole? Oh. Our galaxy is the Milky Way. Yes. One day the sun will explode. Yes. The moon has a dark side. Yes. No. The Earth is 14 million years old. I don't know. False? Okay. Venus is the only planet that rotates clockwise. No idea. I'm going to say true. The sunlight splits into 7 colors. I think it's more than that. No, it is 7. Without the moon, a day will be about 6 hours long. False? Oh, weird. Scientists cannot picture a black hole. That's false. Our moon slows the Earth's rotation. I don't know. I'm going to say true. Every year the moon gets closer. That is false. Black holes can be a result of a collapsing star. I think that's true. Normal pins don't work in space. That's true. A light year measure time. I think you meant to say a light year is a measure of time. I think that's false. It's a distance, I think. Our sky is blue because of the sea. I think that is true. No. The sunlight splits into 7 colors. That's true. Black holes absorb anything but light. That's false. They also absorb light. Supernova is the largest star. Isn't it an explosion? We're actually orbiting a supermassive black hole. I don't know what you mean by we. As in the Earth? Or like... I don't know. I'm going to say false. It's true. Our sky is blue because of the sea. False. A black hole is... Yes, you've answered that one. The sun is the center of the galaxy. Yes. No. The moon was once a piece of the Earth. I don't know. True? We're actually orbiting... Yes. Earth is flat. Earth is closer to the sun in the summer. No, it's the tilt. We are stardust. That is hotly debated. I'm gonna say true. A black hole is black. I assume so. No. The moon is a dark side. False. You become taller in space? I'm gonna say yes. Because your spine has no gravity. does space have sound? That apparently is true. A neutron star is the collapsed core of a giant star. I don't know. I'm going to say true. The sun is the center of our galaxy. False. Space okay, I think it's supposed to say, does space have a smell? I think it does. Supernova is the largest star. No, it's an explosion. A black hole is black. Apparently not. Planets and stars have sounds. I bet they do, I'm guessing. The explosion of a star is called a Big Bang. No. Color of the sun is white. I think that's wrong. No. Mars is the biggest planet. Nope. I guess that's true. Without the moon, I guess that's also true. There are 9 planets. Nope. Pluto is no longer a planet. The sun is the center of our... No. No. Oh, I guess that's the... I've answered all the questions. I can just wrap up points now. Okay, this seems to be a clicker game. So I'm guessing that the code is, if I miss a question, it gets thrown back into the queue. And it seems I've gotten them all right. So now it's just looping on the last one. Well, I guess I'll talk about the game. A couple of grammatical errors that I pointed out, but the premise is kind of cool. I like the idea of an educational clicker game. I don't think I've ever seen something like that before. A couple of the questions were kind of, I don't know. There wasn't a true answer. Like, are we stardust? That's kind of a hotly debated thing that we're not really sure about. But for the most part, it was cool. It would have been nice if there was sort of a... every time you get a question wrong or right, it would tell you why. Because a couple of them, you know, I had no idea, and now that I've answered them, I still have no idea. And it'd be cool to learn more. But this is a nice little game. And I always like to see things that are unique, and I've never seen a educational clicker game before, so nicely done. I look forward to seeing how this improves. Also, I think everyone on the Earth is now dead, but anyways.